Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. T to the power of 3, t to the power of 3. We can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by t. Next, this one I will put in the left, dt I will put in the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 20 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus 20y. This one, that is about t to the power of number 2 plus 1 over number 2 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have number 3, and this one we have number 3. That is the end. Thank you for watching.